Yo, what's the dealio, man? Listen, you already know I got a straight banger for you today, all right? So check this out, y'all. Today we're gonna do something a little bit different, all right? We're gonna talk about money, all right? We're gonna talk about getting money, all right? So we're gonna talk about how to get paid to be yourself, but I got a different twist to it, all right? So I'm gonna bring you guys inside of my world, right? I'm gonna bring you inside of my world and I'm gonna share some stuff with you. Now, this stuff that I'm gonna share with you is gonna be extremely powerful, all right? I'm telling you right now, this video could change your life and it can inspire you in ways that you may have not have been inspired before, all right? So be sure to listen up and pay attention to what I'm about to tell you, okay? Nothing in this video is financial advice. If you guys want financial advice, be sure to talk to a licensed financial advisor. All right? So, with that being said, y'all, so anybody that knows me, they know that I'm the biggest Nipsey fan, right? I know a lot of people are, right? A lot of people say they are, but, you know, we both Leos, birthdays a couple days apart, with, you know, Cali, stuff like that, right? Always resonated with the music. And so there's this song that I used to always listen to, and there was a lesson inside of the song. Now, he got a lot of lessons in his music, but there was this one song in particular, and he had a lesson in it. And I kind of, you know, modeled a lot of things that I do off of this small little like blurb that he said. So I'm gonna share this with you, and I'm gonna break down how to get money from this one thing that he said. All right, so RIP to Nip, right? Long live Nipsey. Okay, so the song is called Right Here. Okay, Forever on Some Fly Shit. Right? Anybody know me? They know I'm a Cali dude, right? I'm a West Coast to the core, right? Forever on some fly shit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to read what the blurb was, what the bar was, and I'm gonna break that down. All right, and this is gonna correlate on how to get money. All right, and how to get paid to be yourself. Everything is it's all gonna connect. Just follow me and trust the process. All right. So in this song, Forever on Some Fly Shit, he said, "There's way more profit in these clothes, so I give away this music and make double back in shows. I 360 myself and then I exercise control. iHustle.com, my digital Louis store. Tell them catch up now and find out later." Right? I'm gonna read that one more time. There's way more profit in these clothes, so I give away the music and make double back in shows. I 360 myself and then I exercise control. iHustle.com, my digital Louis store. Tell them catch up now and find out later. All right? So listen to this, y'all. All right? Now, when you understand how money works, you kind of level up in your mind, right? But then when you understand how to couple that with how to get money, then you start to really turn your life up, right? So let's break this down, okay? I got the iPad, so we're gonna go on the iPad today, and we're gonna break some stuff down on the iPad, all right? So first things first, he said, it's way more money in these clothes. That's why I give away the music and I make double back in shows, right? And then he said, so I 360 myself and I exercise control, okay? So when he said it's way more music in these, it's way more money in these clothes, so I give away the music, okay? So clothes, okay, equals back end. All right. What does it also equal? Influence. What does it also equal? Attention. Right? What does it also equal? Opportunities. Okay? Follow what I'm saying. Okay, follow what I'm saying. It's way more money in these clothes. That's why I give away this music and make double back in shows. Okay, so these are all your. This is what clothes represents, right? The back end money, actual physical merch, right? You know, any other brands, right, that are started, brands, businesses. Okay, so these are all ways that he's able to monetize himself. Okay. All right. Monetization, right? So then he said, so I give away this music and make double back in shows. All right. So what is music? Music is, for him, it was music. But what do we consider music as also? Content. Okay. Okay. Because why? Content equals currency, right? In the modern day, right? So, he said it's way more music in these clothes, right? Way more music up here. So I'm going to give this away, right? And then I'm going to make double back up here, right? So I'm a 2x plus 2x, 3x, 5x, what I would have got just from here, right? Just from the music, if I just allow my funnel to work, right? So follow what I'm saying. I'm breaking this down. It's way more music in these clothes. That's why I give away the music and make double back in shows, okay? And then he went on to say, I 360 myself and I exercise control. Okay, so watch this, right? So now, I'm erasing this real quick. All right. Now, watch this. We're gonna go deeper into it. Right? Now, when he says I 360 myself, what does he mean? Okay, let's look at the music industry. Music industry. Right? And what happens? What is when he says I 360 myself? A 360 record deal. All right? So, 360 record deal. This is, they say, the worst deal that you could sign, right? As an artist. Because you become a slave to the record deal, right? Because what happens is you don't own your masters. Everything you do, the company, they pay you, they get paid off of it. So they're making money off you 360 degrees, right? So 360 degrees, this is you. And right here, no matter what you do, right? No matter how you try to make money, right? The label is going to make money off of you, right? They're going to get a small percentage because they own you, right? This is a 360 deal. This is why it's slavery, right? So you will never be able to fully own, and they own your master, so they're getting a portion of that as well. All they do is they just give you an advance. Okay? They give you an advance, 250,000, 500,000, $1 million. They own your stuff. Now you indebted to them forever. 5, 10 years, whatever the case may be, right? So, if that's what a 360 record deal is, then what did he say? He said, I 360 myself, okay? So instead of saying, I'm going to sign a record deal, right, and get screwed over, he's saying, I, right, you, right, this is you. He's saying, I'm going to 360 my own self. and I'm going to exercise that control. Okay? So now, 360 yourself, right? 360 deal with your own self. Now you are going to get, 100% of all of your efforts, right? So you're going to take the same hustle. You're going to be doing the same thing that you would have been doing if this big label gave you an advance, but you're just going to 360 yourself. You're going to build a team. You're going to build an infrastructure. And now you're going to be benefiting off of your own labor and effort as if you are a label, but you're going to be also making more, right? And that's how you build wealth. So now, but what's the foundation of this? The music, right? The music, right? The music. What is the music again? The content. Okay? The content. So he said he's going to give away the music, right, for free. Streaming platforms, stuff like that. And then he's going to make his money off merch, right? Merch, businesses, okay? What else? Shows, touring, right? Business partnerships, right? Biz partnerships, right? Okay. Opportunities that he don't even know is on his way, right? Royalties, commercials, right? Commercial music slots. Okay. Royalties, right? All of this stuff. So instead of having a label sign you and give you an advance for a small portion of what you really are worth in the future, he said, I'm going to do it myself. I'm going to put up my own money, which is the advance. I'm going to 360 myself. And as time grows, all of this is going to happen, right? And then from there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be able to benefit off of this, right? But none of this happens if I don't give away the music, right? And not only do I have to give the music away, but I have to give the best music away. I have to give the most authentic music away, right? I gotta touch people in their soul and in their spirit, right? Hear what I'm saying? So then he said, okay, free music, that's top tier, right? Ain't no BS. All right. So what does the free content produce? It produces a funnel. Okay? A funnel. Now, business opportunities are coming to him because he gave away his music for free, right? Show bookings are coming to him, right? Traffic to website for the merch is coming to him, right? Because he's just building a funnel. Y'all see what I'm saying? So now you can replicate the same thing in your life. You just have to figure out what the thing is, right? This is why I give away so much, right? Because I understand this concept. I understand that everybody operates out of scarcity, and everybody wants to keep things hidden from you. But I know that it's way more money, bigger, that has nothing to do with what I'm doing right now. Right? So I'm going to give it away. This is why I don't gatekeep. This is why I don't gatekeep. I don't gatekeep. I give it away because I get emails consistently at this point, and we only have 4,000 subscribers. I have opportunities coming to me consistently that have nothing to do with trading. Right? If I was so focused on only trying to get people to come into the Discord and keeping everything a secret, I would be limiting myself. Because those who want to join the Discord and trade with us, they're going to do that. But I understand this concept of being able to get paid to be who you are. And this is how you get paid to be you. Right? This is how you get paid to be you. You get paid to be you by not being afraid to give. Right? And then when you know what you are passionate about and what you really enjoy doing, you need to figure out a way to put that out in the world and create a funnel that brings opportunities to you. Right? I'm going to be speaking on big stages in the future. All because of all the free things that I gave to YouTube. Right? So it's way more music in these clothes. So I give away this music and make double back in shows. I 360 myself and I exercise control. iHustle.com is my digital Louis store. Tell them catch up now and find out later. Come on, y'all. Hey, listen, I'm out, man. Y'all have a great day. I hope this video helped you out. Like I always say, make sure you get up out your head. Go get into this world because your head is a dangerous place to live, all right? And also remember, y'all, the more you study, the less you worry, all right? I'm going to holler at y'all later on tonight on today's live. Y'all stay smooth, man. Peace.